La Jolla Skycam from UCSD, and of course, again, we are seeing some low-level clouds hanging out with us along the coastline. And speaking of those low-level clouds and fog, we're also dealing with low visibility in the parts of the North County, all the way from Fallbrook down to Escondido. So along the 15, if you're headed out the door anywhere near there, you might want to give yourself some extra travel time because of those pockets of heavy fog this morning. As far as temperatures go, most of us are relatively mild at last check, mid to upper 60s from Oceanside all the way down to La Jolla. Already in the 70s though in places like downtown right now, and much cooler as you get towards those foothill and mountain areas. We're at 62 degrees right now in Ramona, 65 in the Warner Springs area. And as far as relative humidity goes, we're close to 100% in many areas, meaning that if you step outside, it is going to feel a little muggy despite some of those temperatures remaining mild at last check. Satellite and radar composite shows that there's not a ton of activity happening right now. We do have a marine layer hanging out with us along the coastline, which is going to provide some cooling throughout the morning, and that will make way for partly sunny skies. Weather headlines are as follows as we look ahead to what we can expect for the start of your week and back to school week for many. Thunderstorm chances in the mountain and desert areas, and because of that, we have a flash flood watch in effect until tomorrow evening. What that means is we could see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches per hour if any of those are associated with some downpours at times. And as far as the middle of the week, we do have some cooling as high pressure weekends, and that begins Wednesday and lasts until Thursday, and we could drop down 10 degrees in some areas. As far as coastal highs go, we'll be near 80 today along the beaches, and we'll dip down a few degrees as we progress through the middle of the week, but where we'll really feel the cool down is through those inland areas. We'll be in the upper 70s, low 80s by Thursday. Mountain highs are going to be close to 90 and kind of sit tight in the low 60s overnight. So again, we're looking forward to cool nights, which is going to be a lot good relief for anyone who has looked forward to a cool down. We'll be in the